Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, many of 2025 batch student received call from TCS, that is bot call, and there it was asked, so do you want to join TCS in 1 month or within 6 months? So some kind of bot call. Now, many of us do not know if the call was fake or true. See, the problem in India is we are very much accustomed with Amitabh Bachchan sound. Like, प्यारे भाइयों एवं बहनों, मैं अमिताभ बच्चन टीसीएस के बिहाफ से बोल रहा हूं। टीसीएस ने 2025 में मास रिजेक्शन किया था, बट आज आपको जान के बहुत खुशी होगी कि आप डिजिटल और प्राइम रोल के लिए अभी भी एलिजिबल है। बट ये दुविधा मैं आपकी समझ सकता हूं। आप सोच रहे होंगे कि 7 लाख या 9 लाख का पैकेज लेने के बाद अमिताभ बच्चन आपसे पूछेगा कि इतनी धनराशि का क्या करोगे, इसलिए ये बॉट कॉल में आपको सेलेक्ट करना है 1 या 2। सो बेसिकली we are like very much accustomed with this sound. Now this bot call, right, it is starting from 2026. Already so many scams going on, okay, and on top of that, but this is good, right? You guys are thinking that you should do the things or not, okay? So I will come to that point, but right now this bot call is also Amitabh Bachchan is they are asking so much of money, and TCS right now they don't have fund. So what they are doing, they are using some female voice and they are sending maybe one employee only. Okay, I am calling from TCS. If you can join within 1 month or 6 months, press 1 or 2. The role will be digital ninja. So like this, you are getting the call. That is also fine only. Now, the main important thing here is right now the data what I have. So the student who are rejected in the interview, part of mass rejection. Okay. So they have only received the call. Other people, if you have received the bot call, please let us know in the comment section. And one more thing, don't take this hiring very seriously. So I don't know if they are testing their AI bot call with you all, okay, but don't take it very seriously, very personally. Nahi yaar, like let me put somewhere, let me tell someone. Keep it secret. Once you get the joining letter, then you come and tell us, sir, thanks for Online Study for You, I got a job because of your this thing. Okay, now, so any bot call you are getting, please don't reject. Okay, so see, maximum what will happen, let's say this is a spam. Okay, let's say this is a spam. So I mean, I'm just telling you because this might happen by the other companies also, and every time I cannot come and make a video. Now you pressed 1, now all the 5 crore rupees in your account suddenly went to Swiss bank. This is what will happen. No, that is not the case. 5,000, 10,000 rupees will be there in the account. Okay, and anyway, if you press 1 or 2, nobody can take your account till then. You don't share the OTP. Don't share OTP at any cost. Even if Microsoft also ask, no, don't share. Forget about TCS. Even if Amitabh Bachchan is coming and telling that I will give you check of 25 lakhs rupees, then also you don't share the OTP. Okay. Third thing. So take this, take this calls whenever you are getting it. Select according to whatever options are there, and don't worry about it. Rest of the things anyway we will be communicating with you. This job you have to do it. See, friends, one thing is there. Now everyone is doing cost cutting, so they don't have employee to call you and ask, Arey bhaiya. See, if they will call you and they will tell you that are you interested, you will. Many people are abusing the the callers only. Kale 2025 mein you did a mass rejection and now you are again coming sending survey mail, link is not opening. Bot call, after that there is no response. Okay, so all those things will be happening. So many 2025 batch students got call from TCS. So this is not fake. This is true. Will there be any coding test or interview only? So friends, there is a chance. I'm not very clear right now because many of the students got call and I think it was mentioned that coding test is there. So you please let us know. If it was not mentioned, then only interview will be there. But it doesn't make sense. I will tell you the reason. One of the candidate, okay, so she was rejected in Ninja interview, okay, and now she has got the now she has got the bot call, and there they are telling digital and prime. See, it is like, so I hired you for 3.6 lakhs per annum, but now I have lot of money, I will pay you 7 lakhs or 9 lakhs. If you are buying old monk, it will not give you test of chivas, correct? No. If you are buying old monk, you will not be getting the test of teachers. So same thing. So now definitely, if you want to traverse to this path, coding will be definitely there. There will be coding test. Sir, where will be this coding test? TCS. TCS says, bhai, come to my place, come to ION center, come meet us, okay, greet us. So coding will be there, and then interview will be there, okay. For 2025 batch, this is what I wanted to tell you. And also I wanted to show you that this secret audio call, okay. So this is what is the board call. I don't know, you won't be able to hear. Okay, got it, the audio. So this was the audio, okay, and I hope this is going to give you some idea. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, keep doing yoga, keep doing exercise. We'll meet in next video.